Okay, let's get started. This is, I don't even call this an unboxing. It's very, very small. I ordered these two items plus two wallets that I'm waiting on, and their shipping is interesting. I haven't heard a lot about how Dooney's shipping is, so I have never ordered for them. Let me think, make sure I'm telling the truth. Yes, I've never ordered from them online. So this is a little different. I ordered several items and they're all coming in different times and different packaging. So that's not fun, but it is kind of fun to get a new item. So this is, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do with this one because you probably like, why did you even get that? So this was on the website, and I don't even know. I don't know. Maybe I paid about $20 for it, but it wasn't very expensive. This is a ID card holder. If you can see that, and it's in this beautiful dandelion print. It has slots. Here's your Dooney has a slot in the front, well, two. And then on the back is a display like for your ID or something that you want to have exposed. And it does have the Dooney Bourke signature. And it comes with this long strap. Now, this strap, I had no intention on using that. So what I purchased this for was more of a hang tag for my bag. And I'm either going to hang it on this one or the black. And it goes on either one. I have shown in some of my other videos, I'm trying to see if I have one near, that I do use luggage tags, and if you can see some in my New York Empires up there, and I use this back slot for some of my business cards, so I have them readily available. And I'm going to take this tag off for a second here. Give me a second. And I will grab these links. Let's see how all of this looks. I ordered some chain links from Amazon, which come in handy. So these right here. And we're going to see. Sometimes I double it, depending. Let's just try this one on the yellow bag. I still have the tag on it, and we're going to put it on the front. So give me a second. I think I'm going to use two to give it a little length. So I am going to connect two of these chains together just to increase the length here. And this is the gold. And I can either hang it on the side or hang it on the front. And I am going to turn it this way and hang it on the front. And let's see what that looks like. Look at me, all thumbs today, but I'm gonna get this hung. And let's see what that looks like. Give me a second here. We're almost there. Here we go. So then here you are. I have a hang tag for my Dooney bag, and I would drop my business cards in here. So I'll have those available. I really do like the way that looks. I like the way that looks. So let's see. The other, so if I'm going to use this for the white, see what we have here. In this packaging. I wish everything just came together because I would have done one video for all of these. I'm telling you, my daughter hates how long my videos are, but when you get into it, you get into, oh, the black is beautiful. Look how the gold signature is on this. Oh my gosh. Again, I won't use the long strap here. Let me take the tag off. Go. And this is the black. And we're going to use this on our black bag. Again, I'm going to take these link chains here. And I'm going to do as I did for the white. And I'm out of camera for a second here so I can finagle this and link the two chains together. I'm linking two to give it a little length. And see, we're going to take it and I'm going on the ring on the handle. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to stick it right through here. I'm going to fasten this nicely. And here we are. And that's the black. So this is the hang tag I'm using for the black bag. And then for the white, we're going to use the yellow. All right, two more accessories for my Dooney bag. And we are waiting for two additional accessories. Well, four actually. All right. Well, thank you. This is a short video. I am signing off and I'll see you next time. Let me know what you think about the hang tags on this Dooney bag that we've just created. All right. Talk to you soon, people. Bye-bye.